Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, we are taking fresh green beans and a smoky, savory broth, and we are creating the most flavorful green beans ever. If you have never made green beans using fresh green beans, girl, the bomb. Let's go. Okay, so first you want to get yourself a big old bowl of fresh, beautifully washed green beans. I have washed and dried these green beans. We're going to take our little green bean and we're going to snap them. We're going to start by first just snapping off the little end tips, just like that. Those little teeny tiny pieces at the end, and then just go ahead and break them in half. And that's it. Boom, you are done. You have snapped a green bean. This is how my grandmother taught us how to do it, and this really takes no time at all. Once you get into your little rhythm, you'll be like boom, 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 snapping all those green beans so quick. But if you are of the bougier girls, you can use a knife. I'm just playing. You can use a knife if you want to. Okay, so the beans are snapped and ready to go. I'm going to add some butter to a saucepan and let that melt and sizzle on up. And then we're going to add these two guys right here, onions and garlic, a whole bunch too. I'm going to dump in those diced onions. Just like that, we're going to let these saute a bit until they are nice and tender. And then we're going to add in my garlic. Lots and lots of garlic. Oh, to the M to the G. What was I getting ready to say? Green beans and garlic. Oh my gosh, yes, a lot of it. And next we're going to need some chicken broth. Don't you dare use water. That's like, don't do it, okay? Just use some good old chicken broth, homemade store broth, doesn't matter, what else. Okay, there's my red pepper flakes going in to kind of give it a little bit of spiciness. And now it's time for the King Daddy, that fully cooked smoked turkey leg. I can only find these at Walmart. Like, what's up with that? I can only get it at Walmart, but they are fully cooked, they are smoked, and they're gonna give our broth such an amazing flavor. I'm gonna let this simmer for about 15 minutes, just kind of heat up that turkey leg, because really it's really easy to cut this up when it's a little bit warm. So I go ahead and let that simmer away and release some of that smokiness into my broth, and then I'm going to remove it. Okay, there it is right there. It was smelling so good. I love these smoked turkey legs. Okay, now I'm going to very quickly add my green beans into my broth. I'm gonna let that turkey leg cool off a little bit, and then I'm gonna dice it up into little teeny tiny pieces, just like this. And then once you have all that meat removed from the bone, or most of the meat removed from the bone, go ahead and return that back to the pot, because this bone, that skin has so much flavor in it, and it's gonna really make our broth the bomb, dig. So don't throw that away. Put it back into your pot so it can simmer away with your beans. We're gonna let these things simmer. I do it all day long, okay? Hours even, just until they are nice and tender and infused with all that flavor. And then go ahead and remove that bone. See, they are nice and cooked. They're nice and soft and tender. Oh my God, they're so good. Okay, so the bone is out of there. You can remove the skin if you want to. And next you're gonna add some pepper, lots of black pepper. I'm also gonna add in some salt. You may not need salt if your broth was really salty, but yeah, add in some salt. And then we're gonna add in that meat that we cut up, that nice smoky meat, okay? And now we are done. That's it, you guys. These green beans are so full of flavor. They are so good. I can eat them by the bowl. Add a splash of hot sauce, a splash of vinegar, and heaven, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you will know when I post new videos. Later.